Hi there. Today we are going to discuss the if-else statement in Python. Any programming language if you take, all the programming language has conditional statement. Why the conditional statement is really needed for a programming language? Because if you execute any program will get executed sequentially, one by one, the way we return the program. But there are scenario which we need to take a decision based on some condition. You need to execute one part of the program. If the condition is false, we need to execute other part of the program. In those kind of scenario, we need to use if else. In Python, if else is very simple. Just put if and condition colon. After the colon, whatever the statement which we are returning with, which is actually treated as a one set of statements, and those set of statements has to be have one tab inside. Then only it start considered as a one block or true block or else block or false block, something like that will be treated. Here there is nothing like open bracket, close bracket, and all. Whatever there inside, it will treat as a one block. The else also optional. Suppose some scenario you want to execute based on the condition, otherwise just ignore those set of statements and go as usual, means you can use only simple if statement. Okay, so without further delay, we can actually go to some program. Okay. Okay, already I have created a program file. Just I'll copy some piece of the code from something from the previous code, because I don't want to retype the same code again and again. See, I'm reading name from the end user, as well as I'm reading mark from the end user, two marks from the end user, and I'm going to do the logical calculation or comparison using if statement and comparative operator to check whether the student pass or fail. Say for example, I'm setting a pass mark as a 50. If he's scoring more than 50, I'm going to declare more than or equal to 50. I'm going to declare him as a pass. Otherwise, it's fail. If so, very simple. You put if and condition. Here our condition is mark 1 greater than or equal to 50. We also need to use logical operator and, because we are concatenating two comparative operators or operation. 50. Here we need to put colon. Then automatically this editor will take care of making this inside. Print name colon pass. Else I execute this program. To execute one more time with the different marks. Pass. So these are the scenario which we need to use, and where and all we need to use if else statement. Say for example, if you want to calculate tax based on the salary, so based on the salary, they will fall into different tax calculations or different taxation bracket. So for that and all, we need to use if statement. But if they have more than two scenario, we need to use a nested if statement. Probably we can see those kind of example in next upcoming sessions. Thank you for your time. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.